Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, welcome to the channel. Do you know where you are? Do you know where this is? You probably have a guess from the name of the videos, but many people wouldn't guess that this is what it looks like. But this is actually in a part called Cotai, and we are in Macau, one of the world's most richest cities and one of the most densest cities in the world. And we're in Cotai right now in a place called the Gardens of Chokvan. So these are apartments that overlook this beautiful coastline. And all these apartments here, they just have all the windows that go down. But I'm going to be showing you a lot of different stuff about Macau. Look at those beautiful rooftops too. And I just basically just walk up and down streets and I show you exactly what it looks like. And I'm basically going street by street and documenting it as well in time so you can see exactly what it looks like as kind of references to how it's going to keep changing and changing and changing into the future. So anyways, hope you like this channel and just like and subscribe and try to make some comments below. It helps a lot for the channel. So, okay.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Toma cuidado da bovidinha.